Practice test 3, the greenhouse effect. Today we're going to talk about the greenhouse effect, a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. The greenhouse effect occurs when certain gases in the atmosphere trap heat from the sun. These gases, often called greenhouse gases, include carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor. Without them, Earth would be too cold to sustain life. However, human activity has intensified this natural effect, leading to concerns about global warming. Let me explain with two examples. First, consider volcanic eruptions. When a large volcano erupts, it can release enormous amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This additional greenhouse gas traps more heat, raising global temperatures. Although volcanic activity is natural, it demonstrates how an increase in greenhouse gases can alter Earth's climate. Second, look at human activities like burning fossil fuels. When people drive cars, use electricity, or operate factories, they burn coal, oil, or natural gas. These actions release large amounts of carbon dioxide and methane into the air. The result is a stronger greenhouse effect. Scientists have measured that the Earth's average temperature has risen over the past century, and human emissions are the primary cause. So while the greenhouse effect is necessary for life, too much of it can be harmful. Natural events like volcanoes can contribute, but human activities are now the dominant factor in increasing Earth's temperature. The professor describes a greenhouse effect. Using the examples from the lecture, explain the concept and how the professor illustrates it.